Think booking a private jet is something only celebrities can do? Well, to be fair, that used to be true. When you needed an assistant, a connection, or a six-figure budget. But good news is, that's not true anymore. Google how to book a private jet, and you will probably find options that are either confusing or ask you to call someone just to get a code. Feels like a high barrier, right? Now, head to the site I've linked down below. This site is built so anyone with no fame, no assistant can search routes, request codes, or grab last minute empty leg deals. No back and forth, no weird gatekeeping. You just enter your route, your date, and your email, and you will get pricing details sent to your inbox, sometimes within just a few minutes. You don't need to be famous to fly like you are. Links in the description if you want to try it yourself.